Launched in 2021, PM POSHAN, or Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman, is a centrally sponsored scheme by the Government of India, replacing the earlier midday meal scheme. Its mission is to provide one hot, nutritious, cooked meal every school day to children from classes 1 to 8 in government and government-aided schools across the country. In Goa, the Directorate of Education has been instrumental in implementing this scheme, ensuring that every eligible child receives its benefits. The initiative aims to increase enrollment, improve attendance, and enhance the nutritional status of students, while promoting the values of equity, health, and education. A special highlight of the program is Tithi Bhojan, a community-led tradition where parents and local donors contribute special meals on special occasions. In Goa, 1,021 schools have participated in this program, benefiting over 1,770 children. Another key feature is the School Nutrition Garden. These gardens are cultivated within school premises and maintained by students and teachers. Using organic methods like vermicomposting, schools grow vegetables, leafy greens, and legumes that are often used in preparing meals. This not only provides fresh ingredients, but also teaches students about healthy eating, environmental sustainability, and the importance of growing their own food. PM POSHAN in Goa is not just about serving meals. It's about nourishing young minds and bodies, fostering community participation, and shaping a healthier future for every child. With strong support from the Directorate of Education, the scheme continues to empower students across the state, one nutritious plate at a time. PM POSHAN, nourishing the nation, empowering the future.